Who is there? Who is there? Oh?
Yeah, who is it? I'm coming.
Auntie, good evening. Please, I'm new in this area, so I'm looking for accommodation. So I don't know if there's anyone here or where you can help me get one.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We have so many houses around here. Maybe I'll take you to one.
Okay. Thank you, yeah.
But meanwhile, let me get you something.
No problem, no problem.
You're welcome.
Thank you. No problem, eh?
Look at her.
Cucumber.
Hi.
Look at you.
Are you married?
Married?
Yes.
No, I'm single.
Do you
Why do
stay?
you ask?
Do you stay alone?
Of course I still alone.
No, I don't want to eat too.
No.
Don't worry. I'm
Why?
okay. No, nothing. I'm okay.
This is just cucumber.
No, don't worry. I'm okay. You know, the cucumber is no longer a fruit. Eh? Don't worry. I'm okay. Yeah. So I'll be waiting for you so that.
It's big, oh, it's sizable.
No, don't worry. I'm okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we say so. Let me change it to something.
All right.
Let me take you to
No, don't worry. Let's go and see the house.
There is
Now,
God.
Yes. Let's go.
My husband.
Okay. Thank you.
There is God.